The pursuit of clear and radiant skin is a common aspiration. Achieving radiant skin is possible through understanding the relationship between diet and skin health. This presentation will focus on the connection between dietary choices and the resulting health and appearance of the skin. Food directly impacts skin, health, and appearance. Skin, like a plant, needs water and nutrients to thrive. A balanced diet supports optimal skin health and a radiant appearance. Antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, protect against cellular damage and aging processes. Vitamin C, abundant in citrus fruits and berries, is a potent antioxidant that supports skin health. Beta-carotene, found in carrots and nuts, combats free radicals, contributing to overall well-being. Omega-3 fatty acids function as internal moisturizers, contributing to skin hydration. Avocados, salmon, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Consuming omega-3 rich foods supports skin elasticity and maintains hydration from within. Zinc functions as an effective agent in combating acne. Zinc-rich foods such as seeds, legumes, and lean meats possess anti-inflammatory properties. Zinc plays a crucial role in controlling sebum production, thereby reducing acne formation. Vitamin A is a key nutrient that promotes cell renewal throughout the body. Sweet potatoes and spinach are rich sources of vitamin A. Vitamin A aids in skin repair and reduces the appearance of blemishes. High glycemic index foods rapidly increase blood sugar levels, triggering hormonal responses that can exacerbate acne. Elevated blood sugar can lead to increased inflammation throughout the body, a key factor in the development and severity of acne. Foods like white bread and sweets should be consumed in moderation to help manage blood sugar levels and reduce acne-related inflammation. Anti-inflammatory foods play a crucial role in managing acne by reducing skin inflammation. Fruits and vegetables contain antioxidants that combat inflammation and promote skin healing. Oily fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, helps to reduce inflammation and support overall skin health. A possible connection exists between dairy consumption and acne development in some individuals. Individual reactions to dairy products vary. Self-observation is recommended to identify potential triggers. If dairy is identified as a trigger, consider exploring alternative milk sources and dairy-free options. Adequate water intake is crucial for maintaining skin hydration and elasticity. Proper hydration facilitates the elimination of toxins from the body. Increasing daily water intake can be achieved through practical habits and reminders. A breakfast of oatmeal, fruits, and seeds provides a rich source of dietary fiber. Fruits in the meal contribute antioxidants, which protect skin cells from damage. This breakfast option delivers essential nutrients vital for maintaining healthy skin. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocado, support skin cell structure and hydration. Protein from sources like grilled chicken provides essential amino acids for skin repair and collagen production. Vitamins in colorful salads contribute antioxidants that protect skin cells from damage and enhance radiance. Baked salmon provides omega-3 fatty acids, essential for skin health. Vegetables offer vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall skin health. The combination of omega-3 fatty acids and essential nutrients supports healthy skin. Healthy snack options, such as nuts and yogurt, can provide essential nutrients. Nuts are a source of protein and healthy fats, which support skin health. Yogurt contains probiotics that aid digestion, contributing to overall well-being. Nutrients from food are absorbed into the bloodstream and transported to skin cells. Skin cells utilize these nutrients for repair, hydration, and protection against environmental damage. Adequate nutrient intake is essential for maintaining healthy skin cell function and overall skin health. A healthy diet promotes skin, radiance, and even texture. An unhealthy diet can lead to acne and blemishes, diminishing skin health. Visual comparison highlights the direct impact of diet on skin condition. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing them from damaging skin cells. This neutralization process protects skin cells and helps prevent premature aging. Antioxidant action reduces oxidative stress. a major contributor to aging. Omega-3 fatty acids are integrated into skin cell membranes. The incorporation of omega-3 enhances membrane hydration. Increased hydration contributes to improved skin elasticity. Zinc reduces inflammation in the skin by modulating the inflammatory response. Zinc helps control acne breakouts by inhibiting the production of inflammatory cytokines. Zinc promotes skin healing by supporting tissue repair and reducing oxidative stress. Vitamin A promotes cell turnover, facilitating the shedding of dead skin cells. This process helps reveal a smoother and brighter complexion. The turnover mechanism involves the continuous replacement of old cells with new ones. Water molecules hydrate skin cells, enhancing their elasticity and resilience. Hydration facilitates the removal of toxins from skin cells, promoting cellular health. Adequate water intake is essential for maintaining optimal skin cell function and overall skin health. Initial dietary changes begin to show subtle improvements in skin hydration and texture within the first few weeks. After several months of consistent dietary improvements, visible reductions in inflammation and blemishes become apparent. Long-term dietary changes contribute to enhanced skin elasticity, radiance, and overall health over a year. Antioxidants combat free radicals, protecting skin cells from damage and premature aging. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation, supporting skin hydration and elasticity. Zinc aids in skin repair and collagen production, promoting wound healing and overall skin integrity. Subscribing to the channel provides access to a continuous stream of skincare and wellness tips. Liking the video signals appreciation and helps improve content visibility. Sharing the video extends the reach of valuable skincare and wellness information to a wider audience. Encourage viewers to share their dietary plans in the comments. Prompt viewers to suggest future skincare topics for coverage. Engagement prompts increase audience interaction and provide valuable content feedback.